Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Evolution. So today I am announcing a new plugin that I created. It is called Plurkomatic and it will be able to post your updates and content to plurk.com. So this is a social network. If you haven't heard of it, go ahead and check it. It is similar to Twitter. It will have a content length limit. So they are allowing 320 characters around this value, and this is the maximum length of the post you will be able to submit, and it is becoming pretty popular, so you can go ahead and check it. And the Plurkomatic plugin will be able to help you push posts on plurk.com and automate your account with the latest posts you publish on your site. So let me show you how to set up the Plurkomatic plugin. I have here this test site, and let us install the plugin. So please note that you download from CodeCanyon a zip file which contains also the documentation of the plugin. So please extract that large zip first, and you will find inside it the installable zip file of the plugin. So go ahead and go to plugins, add new, choose file, select the installable zip file you extracted from the zip you downloaded from CodeCanyon, and click install now. So installation of this specific plugin can take a bit longer because it is a larger plugin, but you should wait a bit, and after the installation is complete, click activate plugin. Okay, now after the plugin is activated, we will be going ahead and set it up. So now Plurkomatic, click on it in the menu here, and now we should enter a Plurk client ID and client secret. To get this, hover your mouse over the question mark and click here. And now this app should not be visible here for you because you should not have any apps so far. So just click create a new Plurk app. Here select third-party website integration. App name, give the name a name for the app. Okay. Organization, you should enter here a random name if you don't have an organization, or enter your website name, and also add your website URL here, and add a description. You can leave this field or out callback blank. Now click register app, and you will have the app registered. Now click edit, and you will see your app key. So copy this value and paste it in the client ID field, and copy the secret and paste it in the secret field. Save app info, click save app info, and after the saving process is complete, go to posts to Plurk, and here you will be able to authorize posting to Plurk. So for this you have to click on the authorize the app button here, click OK, and wait 3-5 seconds at most, and this pop-up window should appear for you, and click yes, grant the permission, and you will get this number. So copy this number and paste it here in the plugin, and click submit code. After this is done, the plugin should write here plugin out Plurk authorization successful, and you will be able to post to Plurk starting from this moment. Here you will see also some settings fields and a configuration that will change how the plugin posts, but now let us use its default settings and create a new post on our WordPress site here, and see it appear also on our Plurk site here. So let's refresh this, and now let's write a new post. So Plurkomatic testing new plugin. Hello, I am testing Plurkomatic now, and add also a featured image, media library, and select a featured image from the ones are already uploaded here to this site. So let's give this giveaway a try. So giveaway image, and all I have to do is publish this post. So the post is published, and after around 3 to 5 seconds we will be able to see the post also on Plurk. So after this 3 to 5 seconds interval we will be checking Plurk. So let's go to Plurk, refresh, and here it is. The post appeared with the image attached to it. Okay, so now let me go back and set up the plugin and see and show you how to use the settings fields from here in the plugin. So let me go ahead and go through each of them one by one. So delay posting by, this is the amount of seconds the plugin will wait after you publish the post, and afterwards it will also publish the post to Plurk. So this is 5 seconds by default. So after 5 seconds the plugin will publish your post to Plurk. Use a sync posting method if you don't want the plugin to make WordPress wait until it finishes posting to Plurk. Then you can check this checkbox. If you uncheck this checkbox, you might have to wait the publishing process here in add new, in post add new. So if you add new post in WordPress, you might have to wait until the plugin finishes uploading the post to Plurk before the WordPress posts are published successfully. So yeah, I recommend you check this checkbox or enter a delay here, because both will do similar things, but this async method will work instantly. Maximum post count per time interval. So if you want to publish a maximum of 5 posts every 60 minutes, then you can do using these two settings fields. So you can publish maximum 5 posts in 60 minutes, or you can publish maximum 1 post in 6 hours, for example, and so on. Okay, Plurk post type. So Plurk has multiple post types: text messages, messages with link, single images, or multiple images. You can select whichever post type you prefer, and the plugin will do the selected post type. Post description template. You can use shortcodes in this template. The supported shortcodes are these. You can edit and change this, and also add text, which will appear in each of the Plurk posts you submit using the plugin. Auto cut content, so the 360 character limit is applied to Plurk, and the plugin will cut automatically posts to this length. Otherwise the longer posts will not be published. Post qualifier. Plurk allows also some qualifiers to be added before the posts. So these are red shares or similar stuff. So the qualifiers can be any of these. Disable auto posting of posts, pages, custom post types, and categories from your site. So you can also disable these. Auto posting of selected tags can be disabled, and you can use a variable content shortcode, which you can set to be appearing only a percentage of time. So you can add a variable content shortcode value here, and the percentage of how often should this variable content shortcode appear. So this percentage can be anywhere from 1 to 100. Okay, so these are the basic configuration steps of the plugin. So it has also an activity and login menu where you will be able to see some system info, restore default plugin settings, and an activity log. The activity log, it's good to be empty because it should show only some issues that appear in the plugin. Also enable logging, detail logging, automatically clear logs every once in a while, timeout for running if the plugin takes more than this amount of seconds to post its content to Plurk, then it will be stopped, and shorten links using Bitly. Bitly integration is also supported in the plugin, and it will automatically shorten links for you if you select this option and add a generic access token from Bitly, which will be able to you will be able to get one from this link. Okay, so yeah, this is the plugin, and this is how you can configure it, and this is how you can use automatic Plurk posting. So check the plugin in this video's description. You will find the link to it there. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.